Hello everyone, welcome to our PS Education. According to this video, we present how to make a curriculum vitae. Firstly, we should know what is the curriculum vitae. Curriculum vitae is commonly referred to as a CV, is a comprehensive document that outlines your education, skills, and work experience. A CV is usually used to apply a academic, scientific, or research positions. Here are the steps you can follow to create a successful CV. In here, we can identify many steps. So, firstly, identify the purpose of your CV. Before you start writing, think about the purpose of your CV. What type of job or position are you applying for? This will help you tailor your CV to specific requirements of the role. Secondly, choose a format. There are several different formats you can use for your CV. Next one is write the header. Your header should include your full name, address, phone number, and email address. Make sure this information is up to date and professional. Next step is create a personal statement. A personal statement is a brief introduction to who you are and what you can bring to the role. It should be concise and highlight your skills, achievements, and what makes you unique. Next one is list your education. This should be include your highest degree and any relevant courses and certifications. Start with your most recent education and work backwards. Next one is include your work experience. This is the most important part of your CV and should include your most recent work experience first. Make sure to include the name of the company, your job title, and dates of employment. Next one is list your skills. This should include both hard and soft skills that are relevant to the role you are applying for. Make sure to highlight any technical skills or certification you have. Next one is add any additional informations. This could include publications, presentations, awards, or volunteer experiences. So there next one is review and proofread. Before you submit your CV, make sure to review and proofread it for any errors or types. There are many steps that you can identify according to this video. After that, I present use following steps to example for the CV. According to this, we clearly mention name, address, phone number, email as well as objective. Name John Doe. Address 123 Main Street. Any town, you can mention your town, uh, Washington or any other thing. USA 12341. This is the postal code. After that, clearly mention phone number, email, as well as objective. Objective is the most necessary part according to the CV. In here, seeking a position as a data scientist in a dynamic and challenging environment. Your Objective is the most important thing for the CV. Next part, we mention educational things. Master of Science in Data Science. This is the degree heading as well as year, university, and any other thing we should mention. Bachelor of Science in Computer Science, University of ABC, Anytown, USA 2017. After that, we mention work experiences. This is the another most necessary thing, the CV. Data scientist, ABC company, Anytown, USA. You can mention your town, country, year, and any other informations. Junior data analyst, DEF company. You can mention town as well as year. After that, he mentioned his skills: data analysis, machine learning, Python, SQL, Tableau. He always mentioned his education, his skills, work experience, personal information, and any other things. After that, he mentioned his certifications. You can mention your certification as a certified data scientist, XYZ Institute 2022. If you have any certification, you can mention here. Publication. You can mention your publications of books, research, and any other things. A study of predicting customer churn, co-authorized with Jane Smith, published in the Journal of Data Science. You can mention your journals, research, books, and any other important parts through this end of the CV. After that, he mentioned awards as a last part. Best Data Project, University of XYZ 2021. So, I think you have clear idea about the how to make a CV with the example and step by step. So, if you have any questions, you can mention after the under the video as a comment. If you have any questions, I always uh, give to you answers. Thank you so much. Welcome to our PS Education.